In today's demonstration, I will be showing you the easiest way to use our new EHR system. To start, you will type in web.ehryourway.com. It will ask for your username and password. If you have signed in previously, you can just choose your saved password and username, hit sign into your account. It will ask you for your site, your location, which is either New Jersey or PA. Scenic Care Therapy LLC is New Jersey. Scenic Care Therapy LLC PA is if you work in Pennsylvania. Your dashboard is your homepage. And so when you sign in, your entire patient caseload will be on your homepage. You do have the option of choosing reminders, documents if you choose to upload. However, for this demonstration, we're going to keep it as easy and simple as possible. So if I choose my caseload, you will see all of your patients listed here. However, you do have the ability to filter it out by site. So if today I was working at Advanced Subacute or Barclays Rehabilitation Center, I can then choose that site and it will filter out the patients listed under that site. We will start by showing you how to document. So I choose on my patient, I click Open Chart, and you will see that we have populated all of our relevant templates. So if I am a psychologist, I would start with initial evaluation for a psychologist. For today, I will be an LCSW, and I will choose initial evaluation. You will see that the patient's information, the basic demographics, will be embedded at the top of the form. If I was starting at 1:15 p.m., which is the current time, it will have that as a default. However, I can change the time. So if it was 2 o'clock as the hour and 15 minutes, so 2:15 p.m., I would then choose AM or PM. It's extremely important to remember to choose one or it will not save. I hit OK, and you can see now the start time is 2:15 p.m. If I finished at 2:45 p.m., I will then choose so, hit OK, and you will see that it actually populates and calculates the duration of time you provided. You will see here that we are in chart review. However, I can't skip forward to any section by clicking the top of the form. For your convenience, we have created multiple choice options you can just choose on. For example, if you choose one of these, you cannot then choose this option. However, if you are in the OR section, you can choose more than one facial expression. As you continue on, you will see there are certain sections you can comment. You can actually write as much as you want, and this field will expand for you. The same thing applies to ICD-10 codes. So you can see these are the ICD-10 codes we have. However, you can choose as many rows as you would like. Open the hyperlink. And what we have done is created a common list. So common list is the ones that we feel are the most common for our practice. However, you do have the ability to add your own if necessary. You choose the arrow, and it will add it into this field. And then by hitting OK, it will then actually add it into your template, and you can do the same for secondary diagnosis. As an example, interactive complexity conditions have been defaulted to no. However, you do have the ability to change it to yes. Now, once you've completed your form and you want to sign off, you hit sign off. And what we have done is, if you have a field that still needs to be filled out, it highlights it in yellow and red and tells you to fill it out. So as an example, if I then choose to fill out one section and hit sign off, it will unhighlight that section, however, still remind you to fill out the rest. I will now show you how to use a progress note. So the progress note is saved as a default to saved notes, which means any note you've completed previously will be listed here. The reason we've done so is to allow you to carry forward your progress note and create a duplicate note with the same information. So you then choose this icon, open as new form, and what that does is copy the previous note in a way that you don't have to fill out all those fields again. Now, please bear in mind that the start time will stay the same, so you have to change that. And other information, even though it might be similar, you have to make sure to update if you've noticed any new symptoms that you have observed during your new session. Once you've completed these sections, you will have the ability to sign off as clinician or forward to your supervisor, in this case to a psychologist or APN. Once you've signed your notes, it will automatically populate in the portal of each facility or site that you serve. So you will not have to do anything else other than just complete your documentation and sign off. Another unique piece to this EHR is that you don't actually have to send in your timesheets anymore. It will log your time and save it so that we can easily extrapolate that information. You can see you have the option of opening the charts and seeing all the documentation you've created for this resident. You can then go back into Save Notes. You do have the option of seeing the blue ribbon at the top. There are basic information that we've embedded, such as the gender, the date of birth, the primary insurance, and then there are some hyperlinks that you can choose on. To take you back to your home page again, you choose Dashboard, and then you could start with another resident. You do have the ability to actually print out your patient's chart once you've completed it. So if I click on Chart, and then I choose to fax or email or to print out, I can do so. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to our next demonstration.